Hi viewers, this is Mama Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Take. So here in this video I'm gonna show you an awesome tricks by which you can easily change the app icon in your Android mobile phone of any app that you want, and here you can also now change the name of that specific app easily with some clicks. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm gonna show you. Before just starting that video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone, and that app is the APK editor, and you have to also install it. But here that app link you will not get in the Google Play Store. You have to install that app from the external sources. First of all you need to download it, and here I'll give you the download link also. After just downloading it, then install it, and now you need to open up that app in your mobile phone. So from here you need to give access all of the media files here, so click on the allow. So here we are there, and here you will get 4 options, and from here you need to click on that select APK from app, and here you will get all that app which is just installed in your Android mobile phone. And from here I'll go to on that app, that is the Notice app, and from here you need to click on the common edit, and here you will guys get the launcher icon is also there and the app name also there. So from here first of all we will change the launcher icon is there, so just click on that launcher icon, and from here you can just select your own images from here, and you can also go to the downward or the upward to select your own images from here, and that means you can just browse it there. So from here I just select my own image from here, and here guys you have to remind that image must have to be in the PNG format. The JPG format will not allow. And now from here you can just change the name of that app from here. The app name here, I just take that app name as the name is the Sajidz Take. So here I just take the Sajidz Take here. Now click on the save to get saved, and it will take a bit time for you guys to get saved that things here, because it just modify a lot of codes there, but it will not harm their app. So here it is guys, here that app is just saved there. From here you need to just close here that app. Now click on the close, and now go to exit from here. Now first of all you need to uninstall that previous app, which app you just modify here. So here is guys, this is that app is the Notice app, and here I need to uninstall that app from here because the same app will not run here. So here just I uninstall. Now from here you need to go to on the file manager and on the APK editor where that APK editor just installed. So here in my case it is in my internal memory, and here it is guys, this is the APK editor. So from here now go to the temp, and here you will get that gensigned.apk, that means that new edited app is there. Now from here I need to install that app from here, so it just installing is there. So here it is guys, that customized app just get installed here, and here it is guys, your app is just able to open up is there. So here it is guys, this is that app is the Sajidz Take, and now I will just open up there, and here the internal thing of that app is remains same, but it just changed the name of that app and the icon of that app, and by that way you can also change the name and the icon of your own app, and you can customize your own app there. So here it is guys, this is the way by which you can do this here guys, and it's only for fun. I don't permit you to use this for any type of harmful purpose. I just refer you to use this in the time of just fun. So here it is guys, this is the way to change the name and the icon of that specific app of your Android mobile phone. So here it is guys, that's the end of that video. I hope so you get really enjoy that video. If it's so, then I request you please give a like that video, share this video with your friends, and comment me below. So no more today, I have to go for my next video. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.